and welcome to Adventures with the Bullies. My name's Tommy and we're in Breisach today. Yeah, just got back. Really nice. It's a bit of a steep hill, but yeah, really easy to get around, really small. Quite a lot of history in regards to obviously Switzerland, France, where we've been so close and everything. Beautiful church. Yeah, absolutely enjoyed it. A couple of hours, that's all you need. Maybe grab yourself an ice cream, a couple of souvenirs. But yeah, really add value to your river cruise. Yeah, so here it is. Here's the vlog. Here's Breisach. Auf Wiedersehen.